Hello everyone and welcome to today's video. Today's video is going to be about how to log into Lippe University of Applied Sciences as a student. For that, the first thing that you'll have to do is open up Google Chrome or a browser of your choice, and then in the search bar you must type in KIS account activation. That is THOWLKIS account activation, and then hit go or enter on your keyboard. Tap on the first link, tap on the second link saying KIS-Portal for students, scroll down, you may have to accept all cookies, and then tap on access. Tap on link to the KIS-Portal, and then tap on to register at the top right of your screen, and then tap on registration for students and staff. Enter your username along with your password, and then hit sign in to log in and activate your account. For any further questions, please feel free to leave a comment down below.